Hello students, I am Sunny sir from Mahdi English School. This video is for class 2 subject science. And before we proceed, let's read a thought. The more you practice, the better you get. So the thought is very simple and very easy for you to understand, and it is important for you to apply this thought in your life. For example, you are solving the sums in mathematics. You have to practice solving the sums. You have to practice learning the tables. So you will get better and better day by day. That is what the meaning of the thought is. In anything, whenever you practice that thing a lot, you will definitely get better in that thing. Even in games, even in any sport activities which you are interested in. Once you start practicing, then a day will come where you achieve perfection. So you practice more and better you get day by day. So never stop practicing. The content of today's video is lesson number 6, that is food for health. Lesson number 6, food for health, that is the new lesson that we have just begun in the previous video. I expect that you have watched the previous video. If not, then please watch the previous video after you watch this video, because in the previous video we have just started this lesson. So today we shall continue with the same lesson, and in today's video you will learn about importance of eating healthy food, why you should eat healthy food, and you will learn to identify some food. I will show you pictures of some food. You will have to identify that food and you will have to write the names in your notebook. So, I hope you are already sitting with your notebooks and pencils, as I always tell you to do. So, please see that your notebooks are out and so are your pencils and erasers. See that the pencils are sharpened. And before we proceed, you already know the instructions that I give you every day. The instructions are to maintain your hygiene. You have to wear your mask whenever you go outside. Whenever you come back, immediately, first thing you have to do is wash your hands. Go to the wash basin, wash your hands as soon as you come back, and do it for at least 20 to 30 seconds with a soap. And when you are outside, see that you maintain social distancing with people. Do not touch any place or anyone unnecessarily, and also eat healthy food and take proper rest. Please keep all these things in your mind. Now let's start reading. So first, within 2 minutes, I am going to give you the recap of the previous video. So in case if you have not watched the previous video, you will come to know what have we learned in the previous video. So this is what I had shown you. I had started with this question. I had asked you, where does this thing come from? Does it come from animals or does it come from plants? Like you can say milk, cheese, etc. Where does it come from? Like you can see fruits over here. So where does these fruits come from? Then I had told you that food comes from both plants and animals. It can be from plants or it can come from animals. Then we had seen that we eat the roots of some vegetables. The vegetables that we eat are actually the roots, which are that carrot, radish, beetroot, onion, potato. See, look, it's below the stem and leaves. All the vegetables are below the stem and leaves. So these are root vegetables. Then we get food from plants. For example, we get fruits and vegetables from plants. We also get food from animals, like fish and meat come from animals that we had discussed. Then what part of a plant do we eat? We eat flowers, roots, leaves. All that are the parts of the plants that we eat. Then we had discussed importance of the food, that food gives us energy for different movements in our body. What is food? Food includes different kinds of vegetables, pulses, cereals, fruits, and many other things. Also, water is an important part of our food. How does the food help us? Food gives us vitamins, minerals, proteins, fats, and maximum energy we get from fats like oil and ghee. Water is also a part of our food. Always drink good and clean water to stay away from diseases. Then I had also explained why not to waste the food. So please see that you do not waste the food. So if you are a smart child, an intelligent child, you have to eat fresh cooked food. Then the last thing we had discussed, choose right. Very important page it is. I had told you to follow a few things regularly. In the beginning, in the early morning, you have to drink 1 or 2 glasses of the water. It may be a small glass, not the bigger one. At least 1 glass in the morning. Not very cold, not very hot. It should be mild. Also drink the water throughout the day. Throughout the day, you have to keep on drinking water again and again so that it will clean your body from inside. Plan meals and snacks. Follow a regular schedule. See that you eat at a regular interval. Your lunch time and dinner time should be fixed every day. And avoid eating extra vegetables and food. Do not overeat. Avoid eating the food which is brought from outside. Eat small meals. You can eat something at every 1 or 2 hours interval. Don't eat too much at a time. And say no to the sugary drinks. Avoid the sugary drinks which you always drink, like cold drinks. Keep it less, or if possible you can avoid it. Now let's continue from here. Till here we had seen in the previous video. So today in your notebook you are going to leave one line now from where we had continued yesterday. You have to leave one line and write this topic: junk food versus healthy food. Junk food versus healthy food. Now this topic had also come in lesson number 5. We had learnt about this. What is junk food? What is healthy food? So what is healthy food? As it is shown, as you can see, fruits, vegetables, cereals, pulses, milk, etc. All the food which are shown over here below, the 3 images you can see. It can be energy giving, it can be bodybuilding, it can be protective food, but in all, these are healthy foods which are shown below, the 3 images which you could see, including milk, including water. But what is junk food? See the images about chips are there, burger is there, food packets are there. So that is junk food, which many of you are consuming on daily basis and which is affecting your health in some way or the other. At times you might not feel well. You want to take rest even after sleeping a lot. You feel tired, that fatigue. You do not feel very energetic. So the reason behind that is your junk food. In the previous video also I had stressed on this topic, also for the parents. Junk food may affect your health negatively at times. It's okay if you are consuming it, but you have to reduce the amount of the junk food that you are taking. Even if you cannot stop it, you have to reduce the amount day by day, and a day will come when you will totally stop eating the junk food. It can be packet food, or as it is shown over here, chips or burger. You can have it. It is tastier, I know. But can't we make it lesser? Can't we increase the quantity of the healthy food in comparison to the junk food? It is after all beneficial for our health. At least for ourselves, at least for our body, we can do this much. So it's my humble request. Please say no to the junk food and prefer healthy food over junk food. That is what my request to you all is. Now, you all know what is junk food. So now let's have a look what is junk food. Let us read the definition. Let us understand what junk food actually is and why are children more attracted towards it? Why can't we easily avoid it? Let's see. So here is the answer. What is junk food? Any food that has poor nutritional value is considered as unhealthy and may be called a junk food. So, what do you understand by this? Any food, like we have seen the images, burger was there, right? And many other things you could see over here, junk food. All these food have less nutritional value. They have poor nutritional value. They do not give us nutritions as we need. Our body needs nutritions for growth. If we eat the food which does not provide us nutritional value, then we are being unfair with our own body. So, junk food is something which has poor nutritional value and it is unhealthy. That is opposite of the word healthy. It is unhealthy means it is not good, and that kind of food is called junk food. So, I hope you understood the meaning of the junk food. Also, the images which you can see over here, you can imagine how the junk food looks like. So, it has poor nutritional value, it is unhealthy, and so it is called junk food. Second thing we can see, a food that is high in fat, sodium, and or sugar is known as junk food. The food which increases your weight, lot of sodium is there inside it, or lot of sugar is there inside it, like sugary drinks. You might be drinking cold drinks, they are sugary drinks. Lot of fat, chips are there, many other things. These are considered as junk food. Then, junk food is easy to carry, purchase, and consume. Like you go to the shopkeeper, you tell him to give you the packet of chips, right? You go to a pizza store, you just order an pizza and you carry it home. It is very easy to carry the junk food at home. It is very easy to purchase. You could give money and you would immediately get junk food. It does not take time to prepare that. And it is easy for you to consume. You could just sit on a sofa and just have your chips watching television. But do you think that it is going to affect your health in a positive manner? Of course not. That will have a negative impact on your health. Junk food is easy to carry, easy to purchase from the shop, from any store. It is easy to consume it sitting on a sofa or front of television or anywhere, sitting in your living room. You could consume your junk food anytime, anywhere, even at midnight. But it will never benefit your health. So I am telling you not to have that junk food, or if you are having it, you can reduce the amount of which you intake it. Generally, a junk food is given a very attractive appearance by adding food additives and colors to enhance flavor, texture, appearance, and increasing long shelf life. So, why do we like junk food? Children mostly, you all like junk food. Why? Because what is added on it, additives are added. It is colored. The food is colorful. It has a good flavor. It looks tastier as compared to the healthy food. It also has a good appearance. It has a long shelf life. You can keep it in the morning, you can have it in the evening. So all these things, because the appearance of the junk food is very attractive, because it is tastier, and because the flavors are added in it, all these things attract you towards it. But that is not going to benefit your health. In some cases, it might impact your health negatively. So never think that because the food is attractive, because it looks nice, it is healthy. It is not that. See, over here we can clearly see the food which looks attractive is junk food, not the healthy food. But we know that good for our health are these food, not this one. So never be cheated by the appearance of the food. Next, side effects of junk food. What are the side effects? If you consume junk food, in a great amount, if you do it every day or once or twice in a day, if you eat junk food, then what might happen? Let's see that are called side effects. That is the effect on your health. So these are the side effects. As you can see, 6 points are given. You may write any 2 points in your notebook. Any 2 points you can write in your notebook. What are the harmful effects of junk food? If you consume junk food on daily basis, what could happen? It could cause obesity. Second thing is tooth decay, lack of energy. Fourth is heart diseases. Fifth is liver failure. And sixth is vitamin deficiencies. So could you see over here the stomach, right? This is obesity. What is it called? Obesity means the condition of being very fat or overweight. At times you will see your weight has increased as compared to your age. Your weight has increased. That is called obesity, and that is one of the harmful effects of having junk food on a regular basis. So the weight increases, the stomach comes out. That's not a good sign. It's obesity, and it is harmful effect of having junk food regularly. Tooth decay, your teeth might start turning the colors, your tooth might start turning black. That is the harmful effect of junk food. Lack of energy, you will feel tired. Over here you can see how the man wants to work but he cannot work, he is extremely tired. Heart disease is how the chest pains at certain age, when you become an adult, then this kind of diseases will start entering your body. Liver failure, it might affect your liver. Vitamin deficiencies, you might have to take tablets at later age. So please see that you avoid eating junk food. Then this is the thing that I request to all of you: stop junk food addiction. The junk food which is shown over here, the chips, hamburger, etc., the sugary drinks, sauce, it feels very attractive. I know it's very yummy, it's very delicious. Even at times I could not stop myself, but not always. You may have it once in a week or once in a fortnight, that's okay, but stop having junk food every day. Stop junk food addiction. Addiction is something which you cannot control yourself. You want that thing every day or every 2 days. That is called your addiction. An addiction of anything, I repeat, addiction of anything will never be beneficial to your health. Even the addiction of mobile phones right now which children have. So even addiction of mobile phones should be stopped. Parents must see that students or the children use mobile phone, but for a limited time, that's okay. But otherwise it might affect negatively. For watching the videos, for doing the homework is okay, but not after that. Then stop junk food is my request to all of you. Next we could see healthy foods. Now we saw what are junk food. Let us see what is the healthy food that you should have. We already saw that what we should not eat. So what is the healthy food now? What should we eat if not junk food then? So let's read. An apple a day keeps the doctor away is a famous saying that we all have heard, right? You all have heard this saying. An apple a day keeps a doctor away. It's a very famous saying. We all know this, that if you have one apple in a day, then you will not fall sick, you will not fall ill. It is a very famous saying, means we all know. This saying helps us clearly understand the importance of taking the right food in order to maintain our health. So this saying which we just read, an apple a day keeps a doctor away, shows us that how important it is to eat the right food and in the right order. We can understand that what is the importance of having the right food and at the right time in right proportion for maintaining our health. Health is very important to lead a life without any hindrances. So without any hindrance means without any problems. If you want to live your life without any problems, without getting ill, So you have to maintain your health every day. It's not that for 5 days you took care of your health, then on weekends, on Saturday, Sunday, you went outside with your friends or family and you had junk food. No, that's not called maintaining your health. Your health should be maintained throughout the year. All the 365 days you have to be careful about your health. There might be some problems in between, exceptional cases are there, but except for that you should see that you maintain your health, because we also know a famous saying, health is wealth. Means health is more important than money. Health is wealth. Next, healthy food as continued. In today's world, oily foods and junk food are more welcomed by most of the people, right? In today's world, as you all know, it's 21st century, and most of you, most of the people, what do they like? They like junk food. They like junk food, and because it is attractive, they eat oily food, like I said, chips, and the junk food, as I showed you, burger and etc., the drinks, the cold drinks, that are more liked by the people as compared to healthy food. But the truth is, these kinds of foods are not at all good for health, and they spoil our routine by provoking unnecessary illness over a period of time. What do? If you have junk food on regular basis, they will provoke unnecessary illness. Illness means your health will be worsened. Without any reason, your health will be disturbed. Just because you had unhealthy food, just because you have junk food, your routine will be spoiled. Your routine means from early morning till night, whatever you do till you go to sleep, that is called your routine. Whatever you do every day. So sometimes you may see your routine is disturbed. Right from the morning, sometimes you don't feel well. The whole day becomes a sleepy day. You cannot do anything else. You feel less energetic on some days. That is the reason, because the junk food is being consumed, and it will spoil your routine and it will make you ill for a long period of time sometimes. Food is the source of our energy, right? We get energy from food. All the things which you do every day from morning till evening, everything, whatever you are doing, you stand up, you sit down, you walk, each and everything, because of the energy that you get from food. So choosing the right type of food that contains the right amount of vitamins and minerals is very, very important. So you have to be very selective with your food. For sometimes it is okay, as I told you, not always, but most of the times you have to take care that you are having healthy food that gives you vitamins and minerals. Like we discussed about cereals and pulses, we discussed about milk and water, vegetables, especially leafy vegetables. All these are the things which gives you vitamins, minerals, even eggs are there. So if you consume these things in the right amount, then your health will never degrade. Then you will always feel very energetic and very active. So one more important thing I want you to note down. Please note down this important thing in your notebook. It is very, very important. So I repeat, please note this down. Classification of food. Food is divided into food groups. There are 3 categories in which food is classified, means it is divided. Classified means divided. There are 3 types of food. It can be energy yielding, means energy giving. Energy yielding means energy giving food. Bodybuilding food, which will make your body, which will give shape to your body. And protective food. See the spelling, energy, energy, body, body, building, building, bodybuilding, and protective, protective. Energy yielding or energy giving, you may also write giving, giving. Then bodybuilding and protective. These are the 3 categories in which the food is divided. It is called food group. Now let's see some images and try to identify that food with their names. So here is the page which I have displayed on the screen. This is your textual page, science textbook, that is the new edition which we have, and the name of the lesson you already know, which we are learning, food for health. What is the name? Food for health, and it is lesson number 6. So please remember the name of the lesson and the number. In this, what are we learning? We will learn about food groups that I just told you, meals in a day, and key to healthy eating. These are the 3 important things that we are going to learn. Now, as I told you, pictures are given over here. Some 11 pictures are given. I will show you group by group. So, pictures of some food items are given below. Write their names in the space provided. Then circle all those that we get from plants. So, some 11 pictures are given. We have to write the names over here below the pictures, and then we shall circle all those food items that we get from plants, not from animals, from plants. So first of all, let's write the names of these food items which you could see on the screen. I hope you could see all the 11 items on the screen. Can you guess the name? Number 1. What food is this? You just have to guess the name and write down in your notebook along with me. So please see that you are writing. This is a cauliflower. What is this? It's a cauliflower. This is the image of cheese. What is this? It's a cheese. Then this. Can you identify these beans? These are kidney beans. Then number 4. What is this? You have it. You already have eaten this. You know the name. It's chicken. Then number 5. The leafy vegetable gives energy. Green vegetable, it is spinach. Then number 6. It is an apple. Number 7. White color thing. Inside this tray, what is this? It's an egg. Number 8. As it is already written, this is the image of milk. Here is fish. Then number 10, bananas. And here is the image of meat, the non-veg food, meat. So let's write the names of all these and then circle the items that we get from plants. So here I have written the names of all the 11 foods. We have identified the foods. We have written the names below. So please write all the 11 names. You have the time. Please write all the 11 names one by one in the sequence in your notebook, because later on you will have to write it in your textbook with pencil. And I have circled with red color the food that we get from plants. So which are the food items we get from plants? Cauliflower, kidney beans, spinach, apple, bananas. These 5 items which I have circled, these things we get from plants. The 5 items that I have circled are the items that we get from plants. Cauliflower, kidney beans, spinach, apples, bananas. And the others we get from animals like cheese, chicken, eggs, milk, fish, meat. All these are the things we get from animals. The things which we have circled are the things which we get from plants. See the spelling of the things we get from plants. cauliflower, cauliflower, kidney, kidney, beans, beans, kidney beans, spinach, spinach, apple, apple, and bananas, bananas. I hope you have written the names of all the 11 food items that we get from plants or animals, and you will follow the proper diet from today which I have told you. Eat at the intervals. Don't overeat at a time. Keep the gap of at least 1 or 2 hours in between whatever you eat, and as far as possible avoid junk food. eat the healthy food which you have got the list of in the video. You can just rewind and you can see on the YouTube which are the healthy food that you should have. Thank you, and please drink plenty of water in the whole day. Have a nice day.